mno.
This is not a death sentence. If you have cancer, please go for screening. If it is discovered mapema, then it can be taken care of. But if we wait, uko nyumbani, and you know some of us deal with these things every day, virtually every day. If you wait uko nyumbani without screening, then we have a problem. I think it's time now to champion. We know the government may be stifled for cash right now, but I think it is important that we push for this thing to be named a national disaster, because it really is a national disaster.
We should look into what causes this cancer and deal with it. And we know what really causes cancer. And I think the first thing we do is to go back strongly to public health, because public health is the one